You want to see the meat? Hello. Today we are taking our good old time and making some beef stew. And I'm in my luteal phase. Usually the week before and of, I incorporate more iron-rich meals. This week I'm challenging myself to something new because I'm used to taking the easy way out like a ground meat, but we're going to try to make beef stew with chuck roast. So I don't even know what chuck roast is, but I got it. Let's start this process so we can have some good and delicious and heartwarming food to nourish our bodies. Alrighty, so we're starting with ingredients. So I'm gonna grab those. We need potatoes. I'm gonna weigh out a pound. Yuck! Okay, I have the celeries and carrots. Yeah, this is 2 pounds, so. Now I need olive oil, salt, black pepper, garlic, onion, olive oil, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and flour. We have our onion, celery, carrots, garlic, tomato paste, beef broth. I'm also gonna add in some beef gelatin, bay leaves, thyme, rosemary, bay leaves, thyme and rosemary. And I believe that's it. I'm going to marinate the meat first. So this is the beef chuck roast. My partner cut it up for me because that was not my area of interest or specialty. I don't touch raw meat if I don't have to, which I'm grateful for, but the days where he's not here, I'm SOL. So this is what it's looking like. Olive oil, about a tablespoon, a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. I can't believe I'm doing this without my apron. Paprika. So I'm going to mix this all together. And I'm going to put some flour on top. Alrighty. We're going to do the worst part now, which is cutting onions. I do not like this at all. I was crying so bad. It wasn't even tears. It just burned. C's already starting. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the celery, 2 carrots. go.